With such a detailed lines, colors, and forms, you may be surprised to learn that none of these images were created by humans. Instead, all four of these pieces were created by artificial intelligence. In an era where technology dominates various industries, AI is quietly emerging. In business, for example, AI automates the storage and analysis of massive amounts of information, completing tasks that are usually performed by humans. Because of this, we have to consider that AI replacing humans may become a reality. So the question is, since AI can change the way we do business and other tasks, can it change the way we create art as well? Let's first talk about how AI images work. To create AI-generated images, machine learning models scan millions of images and the text associated with them across the internet. Artificial neural networks mimic the brain's process of recognizing patterns. The machine doesn't see an image, but a set of numbers. Images are broken down into pixels, which are represented by numbers that represent lines, edges, colors, and more. The algorithm spots trends in images and text and eventually starts guessing which images and text fit together. Once the models are able to predict what an image should look like, they can create entirely new images from scratch based on a new set of descriptive text that the users enters on the app. The use of AI images is common in the fashion, medicine, advertising, and many more industries, cutting down on the need for human artists. As we saw earlier, AI-generated art can be just as visually appealing as art made by human hands. Now, please pause and look at the description of this video below. Here, you will see a link to a quiz that asks you to figure out which artwork is human-made against some similar AI-generated pieces. Welcome back. How did you do on the quiz? Did you find some of the human-made art hard to identify? We'll have to admit that AI images have come to the point where they're as lifelike as paintings we see in the museums. You might think people just use AI images to have fun or cut down on hiring artists. Well, let me share some shocking news with you. An art piece created by 3 students in France using AI algorithms was sold for $430,000. This shows how AI is being approved, even in our world. By imitating the learning from a large number of classic works, AI has been able to vividly create paintings of different classic styles. This has caused many artists to feel a crisis and has also made many scholars rethink important issues like the meaning of art and the future of human artists. If AI images prove to have commercial value and are comparable to traditional famous art pieces, can AI images be considered art? In my opinion, no, they cannot be. Let me explain. To my understanding, artistic creation isn't a machine-like production process that simply uses past works to build new ones. It's a conscious exchange of thoughts and emotions between humans using language, behavior, and stories as a bridge. You might have heard of German philosopher Walter Benjamin. His discussion of aura and authenticity from works of art in the age of mechanical reproduction can help us understand art and its original value. Before the rise of mechanical reproduction, artistic creation relied mainly on the manual skills of individual artists. Works of art at that time were unique, each made with its own distinct aura. These artworks were often used in ceremonial activities, which give them value in sacred worship. Even today, many art experts continue to revere the artist's brushwork and the depth of their thoughts. However, with the invention of photography, mechanical reproduction began to replace hand production for certain forms of art, and infinite reproducibility replaced the uniqueness of the work. leading to the loss of the aura in many pieces. Our works started to be used more widely for commercial display purpose, like entertainment and advertising, where their display value replaced their former worship value. Despite these changes in production methods and social functions, the authenticity of original works of the art has remained constant. The specific historical moment and unique situation when the original work was first created cannot be mechanically replicated. This is the fundamental reason why fakes and AI generated paintings cannot attain the original artistic value inherent in authentic creations. Art is a combination of human emotion and style unique to each individual, something AI has yet to replicate completely. The reason why great historic works of art are viewed with important symbolic meaning and value is that they were involved in the development of art and became the key to unlocking specific spirit of the times. So even if the works generated by AI are exactly the same in styles as those of Leonardo da Vinci or Van Gogh, they cannot be called art. Van Gogh's bold attempts in his time promoted artistic innovation and led the development of art. However, the current reproduction of the same paintings by AI is just repeating the result these artists worked so hard to create, rather than developing new thoughts. This is similar to scammers reproducing well-made fakes without much artistic value. Although AI can replicate elements like color, form, and texture and generate new images, it struggles to craft them with the same emotional resonance and personal connection that human artists achieve through their unique perspectives. Even if the painting generated by AI can have the same passionate color and simple brushstrokes as Van Gogh, it still cannot understand Van Gogh's artistic ambition, loneliness, and pride, let alone Van Gogh's understanding of the spiritual dilemma of his time. Ultimately, while AI-generated images might impress with their technical precision, they often fall short in capturing the essence, soul, and purpose of traditional art, making it difficult for them to compete on the same emotional and aesthetic level. From this perspective, AI painting is not art. AI is just a sophisticated tool for humans to bypass tradition. It seems to be able to create works on its own, but this is only the result of a pre-designed calculation program and cannot be regarded as an active creation that is independent from human control. For AI-generated images, the work goes into creating algorithms, not art. The integration of AI in art production parallels the invention of photography in its transformative impact on artistic expression. Just as photography revolutionized the way images were captured and reproduced, AI is reshaping the creative landscape by offering novel tools and techniques for artists to explore. However, this technological advancement also brings challenges. One significant challenge is the debate over the authenticity and originality of AI-generated art. It raises questions about authorship and the role of human creativity. Additionally, there are concerns about the ethical implications of AI algorithms perpetuating biases or replacing human artists in the creative process. Despite these challenges, the reforms sparked by AI in art production offers exciting possibility for innovation and collaboration between humans and machines, pushing the boundaries of artistic creation. AI plays many different roles in artistic creation, offering opportunities for image augmentation, automation of repetitive tasks, and exploration of new aesthetics. While AI-generated images might lack the depth and intentionality associated with human art, they still provide entertainment value and spark intriguing discussions about creativity. Artists can use AI as a collaborator to enhance their work, pushing the boundaries of traditional artistic practice. Overall, AI's impact on art highlights the evolving relationship between technology and creativity. Thank you.